Or no plans for the U.S. Genius.
Yeah, and KFC of all places to come
Right?
up with an edible
I
coffee
know,
cup.
but we're pondering how it doesn't melt away. You better be
Yeah.
fast drinker.
Yeah, that is going to be interesting to try.
Yeah, they're going to bring it here. They've got to.
So many different
if it's
options
successful.
and flavors. If it works, could be a good idea. All right, here's a look at some of the snowfall totals over the past 24 hours. Angel Fire ski area picking up more than a foot of snow near Wagon Mountain, 8 inches. Red River and Taos ski areas both picking up 5 inches of snow. We're going to see a lot more snow as we head into the next 24 to 36 hours. This is the look at Vaughn earlier this morning. You can see the snow on the side of the roads, and now we have some fog developing after some of that snow has melted off just a bit here in eastern New Mexico, where most of the action was to start this morning. Here in Albuquerque, the clouds are beginning to increase. Some leftover light snow in far eastern New Mexico and some spotty snow showers over the Sangre de Cristo Mountains, but we will watch another storm system roll in later tonight into tomorrow, and this system will impact us, especially as we head into evening tonight and last throughout the day on your Friday. Here's a look at the temperatures. Much colder than it was at this time yesterday. 39 degrees here in Albuquerque, 20 degrees in Las Vegas, the 20s stretching all across eastern New Mexico, the 40s in Grants, 48 in Socorro. So the cold air is back thanks to the cold front that moved through last night that brought the chances for snow. And then we'll watch that second storm system roll in tonight and take a look at the time at the top of the screen around 7:30 tonight. We could see that chance for snow in the Sandia, Manzano Mountains, also into the northern mountains. The problem here in the metro, of course, is going to be the strong gusty winds. We could have winds gusting around 40 to 45 miles per hour, so that will limit our chances for snow here in the metro at this point. But if you're on the west side around Rio Rancho, Bernalillo, and in the foothills, you could see the snow later on tonight into tomorrow morning, and then that snow expands over the eastern half of the state along the central mountain chain into eastern New Mexico during the overnight hours. So we'll see that snow falling along Interstate 25 and Interstate 40 to the east, so that could make for a tough morning commute for parts of the state tomorrow morning. And then by tomorrow evening, we'll have another round of potential of rain and snow here in Albuquerque, and also as we head into Saturday morning for the northern mountains into the San Juans of southern Colorado, and we'll continue to draw in moisture on Saturday and Sunday with a large area of low pressure that's going to be hanging out well to our west. That will continue to pump in the moisture for Saturday and Sunday and keep our snow chances going for the mountains with a valley rain snow mix for the rest of us. So here's a look at the forecast for the snowfall ending tomorrow morning around 9 o'clock. We're seeing those blues. That's where we could have 6+ inches of snow. So along the central mountain chain and to the east, you'll be favored for the heaviest snow here in the metro. Again, it all depends on the winds, but the foothills could pick up a couple of inches of snow. Then as we head into Saturday morning, as the snow rounds continue, where you're seeing the purples, that's where we could have a foot or more of snow. Even some of the very high elevations could get close to 18 inches of snow when all is said and done as we head into Sunday. So we're looking at off and on rounds of snow beginning tonight and lasting through the weekend. So it's going to add up over our northern mountains, especially throughout the next several days. Into southern Colorado, temperatures into the 30s will be dry to start, and then later on this evening we'll see that snow expanding over the Four Corners. Over to Farmington, Gallup, and Grants, temperatures into the 40s today, showers developing later on tonight, and that chance for showers will continue throughout the weekend. High temperatures into the 40s, so we'll see a rain-snow mix during the afternoon with a chance for snow during the overnight hours when temperatures drop below freezing. Over to the southwest, a chance for some spotty showers here. Most of the action is going to be farther to your north, temperatures into the 50s and the 60s for the weekend. Over to the southeast, temperatures into the 30s today with the snow winding down right now, and then another chance for more snow later on tonight and also throughout the weekend. Into the northeast, we're dry right now, but that snow will return later on this evening, continue throughout the day on your Friday with more snow chances for Saturday into Sunday. High temperatures holding in the 20s and the 30s, so very cold over the next 4 days. And then over to the northern mountains, some spotty snow out there right now. That snow will begin to fill in later on tonight and continue off and on throughout the weekend. Some areas could pick up as much as 18 inches of snow by the end of the weekend into the East Mountains. A chance for snow later on tonight and also throughout the day on Friday with highs into the 30s. And here in the metro, colder than yesterday. Temperatures only into the 40s, so we're dropping by about 10 to 15 degrees this afternoon. So you'll notice that the strong gusty winds and a chance for some snow later on tonight into tomorrow. Again, not everybody's going to see it in the metro, and of course we'll have more details on this tonight at 4.
Okay, thanks, Chris.